Hello friends, I'm your host Saurabh from Techniture. Today I'm reviewing also Gen 1 2. Before open this box, I shall tell you its feature. It runs on Android Lollipop version. A screen size is 5.5 inches with protection of Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Chipset is Intel Atom Z3580 and CPU is quad-core 2.3 GHz. I'm reviewing here 32 GB variant and means this device which I'm going to review it is a 32 GB and it can be expandable up to 64 GB via micro SD card. Back camera is 13 megapixel with dual LED flash and front camera is 5 megapixel. It supports 4G and 3G. Battery in this device is 3000 mAh and it is non-removable. Now I'm opening this box and will show what inside it. It is the also Gen 1 2. You can see here how good, yeah, what apart this. It is the warranty card and it is the user guide. Okay, it is the charging cord and it is the charging adapter. Yeah, you can see here it. So there is no earphones in this box, you can see here. Yeah, now I shall tell you its design. I'm impressed with its design. All edges are curvy. Yeah, you can see here this is curvy. Yeah, very curvy. You can see the back side, it is very good. Okay, from the front side of the screen, it is a 5.5-inch screen with the capitated touch screens. On the top side you can see his Asus logo with a speaker, and here you can find front logo. And the back hand side you can see here the back camera with the LED flash, and this is the volume rocker key. And the bottom side of the back is here you can find a speaker, and it is a Gen phone logo, and it is Intel's logo, and it is the Asus logo here. On the top side you can find here 3.5 mm audio jack with the power button, and on the bottom side, yeah, on the bottom side you can see here the charging port. Now I'm going to open the back panel and will show you where you will insert your SIM card and the micro SD card in this device. Yeah, it is the back side. I just removed the back panel, you can see here. Okay, here you will insert SIM 1, here you will insert SIM 2, and here you will insert micro SD card. As I told you that this you cannot remove battery from this device, so battery is the fix here. You can see here battery is the total fix here. And after the removing the back panel, it is the volume rocker key, it is the camera, and it's again the flash, and it is the speaker, you can see here. Now I'm going to just assembling the back panel, and I'm going to open this device now like this. Yeah, now it is the Asus in search in incredible power by Android. Yeah, it is coming here. Yeah, you can see here. Hey friends, it is the first look of device. This device runs on Asus Gen UI. First we will go inside the setting area and we check what are there. Like first we'll go to inside area for the setting area, and first we will check about area. In the about area we can see here on the top, yeah, on the top it is a system update, status, legal information, regulatory information, model number, Android version, hardware information, and software information. Now in the Android version is 5.0, model number is Asus_Z0080, and we will check inside the hardware information. Inside the hardware information we can see here CPU, GPS version, Wi-Fi version, Bluetooth version, touch panel version, and battery version. And what else in the software version? Inside the software version we can see here, yeah, baseband version, kernel version, and build number. Okay friends, now we just back from the about area and we'll check what else in the setting area of this device. Inside setting area we can see here on the top Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, dual SIM card settings, call settings, data usage mode, EG mode, interruptions, display sound and notifications, storage, apps, users, Gen motion, battery, power management, also customized customized settings, location, security, lock screen, account, language and input, backup and reset, date and time, accessibility, printing, and Gen UI instant updates. So first we will check inside the Gen Motion and we see what is here. Inside the Gen Motion setting area, it is a touch gesture. We have already keep it on, and it is a motion gesture. Yeah, now I'm going to just like it on. What is the motion area, motion gesture area? So we can also this device also supports gestures, so it is a very good thing. And what else? Like the power management. Yeah, it is a power management area. And what else? Like the app. Yeah. So friends, now I'm going to tell you some preloaded apps in this device, like Gen Circles, web storage, what's next, and what else? Up, mm, Splendid, Share Links, Setup Wizard, Play Store, Photo Collage, and Omelette Chat, Party Link, PC Link, mm, and Mirror is also one of the good app in this device. Mini movie, kids mode, what else? FM is also available in this device, and flashlight. What else? Yeah, these are the some few preloaded apps in this device. Okay friends, now we will go inside the camera area and check what are there. Like, yeah, we are in the inside the camera area. Okay friends, so first I will tell you its settings inside. Inside camera setting, here we can see the inside under the camera tab, white balance, ISO, exposure value, optimization, camera resolution, anti-check enhancement. Yeah, you can see here. Yeah, anti-check enhancement, image quality, shoot mode, touch shutter, self timer, brush focus mode, white balance. Yeah, now we are inside the video tab. Inside the video tab, you can see here white balance, exposure value, video quality, video stabilization, video preferences, focus and exposure, touch out, auto exposure, and what else? Like the smart brightness, guidelines, info, review duration, brush review, shutter animation, camera, sound, location and services, anti-flicker, power saving mode, set volume key edge. Okay, and power saving mode, save to like the internal storage or external storage. If you want to learn anything, you can go inside the tutorial. If you want to back to restore with the factory setting, you have to just click on restore default settings, feedback and help. Yeah, these are the some things inside the settings area. Now I'm going to tell you about the there are many modes in this Zenfone 2. Like from the top you can see here auto, manual, HDR, beautification, super resolution, low light, night, depth of field, effect, selfie, GIF animation, panorama, miniature, time rewind, smart remove, all smiles and time lapse. These are the some few modes of camera in this device. Okay friends, now I will show you some pictures which I have clicked, like which I have clicked during my review time. Yeah, you can see here. Now I'm just going to show you one by one and I will tell you. Yeah, you can see. Yeah. Oh, yeah, these are the pictures which I have clicked during my review time. You can see how good is the pictures. Yeah, you can see. All of those pictures are showing very natural colors and its detailing is too good. Yeah, you can see here. Now, yeah, you can see each and every image is giving very good quality. Yeah, you can see here. Now I'm going to third one. You can see here how good is the quality of all of the images. Yeah. Okay friends, now we will go inside the notifications area and we'll check what are here. For the notification, we have to just tap from top to bottom like this. Yeah, inside the notification area we can see here flashlight, boost, calculator, auto start, Wi-Fi, auto rotate, sound, one hand, location, airplane mode, cellular data, smart saving, battery mode, hotspot, Bluetooth, NFC. Yeah, these are the some things inside the notifications. Yeah, okay friends, now I will tell you my experience when I was using this device. In my review time, I was impressed with its battery. It lasts long. I like its camera, both back and front, and I also to show you its pictures quality review. I have played many games without lag. Overall, I like this Asus Zenfone 2. Okay friends, I have done with my review. If you have any question or query, you can mail me at my email ID. It is technutor@gmail.com, or you can write here in comment area. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. It is Technutor. Don't forget to like this video and don't forget to share this video on social media. Sayonara, bye and take care. Thank you.